Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right? So yeah, let's go straight to our daily analysis. What do we have? The market has been just going a little bit down, but not that much. We understand that maybe because of the holidays and stuff like that. Yeah, but after that the market will be going back to its normal movement. And yeah, I still remember last year December, yes, I was also trading. The market was not moving that crazy, but yes, at least there was some movement, right? So without wasting enough time, I think we're gonna have a load shading like around 10. So we still have actually if you enough time. So on the screen there you can see that we have something very good. We have something very good. If you want to be part of the team, actually, guys, we left with I think it's 11 people to join the team, to join the YouTube, so that we can reach 5k. So talk to me, guys, if you want to be part of the team. Obviously I will make a very nice discount for you. The prices are there, but I can change that, and just to make sure, for only 11 people. Okay, let me just do that. Now I'm thinking about that. So for those 11 people, guys, you will check on the screen. I need 11 people. So for you to join the team, because there you can see it's 165. So for you to join the signals, you can pay $45. You can pay $45. Then for the robot, you can actually pay $75. Then you can say for only 11 people. Only 11 people, and I hope that people, they will be the people who are going to join and make 5k. There is still enough stuff that I'm going to offer, guys. The thing is, when I offer the sales like this, only few people join, then I have to stop that, because it's like it's not actually important to other people. So I have to keep my prices there, because I'm not expecting anyone to actually just jump on that, you see. So but $45 for lifetime signal, $75 for actually prime robot, and there's 2 updates coming actually, and if you get this, you're going to get those updates for free, right? And we also have something very good for those who don't have actually have enough time actually to trade. You can see that if your account is like 350 plus, yes, I can try my best to trade and reach maybe 2000, a minimum of 2000. We can even go further for this 30 days actually, but only trading days actually. And there is no split. You keep your profit. What I do is, or what we're supposed to do is, before I start with that, you have to pay that 250, so that every profit that you make, it's yours, no splitting, nothing. So yeah, if you want that, if you want to be part of that, you will just let me know. So let's go straight to the chart. I see on the screen there is GBPUSD. What's really happening on GBPUSD? You can easily see that the market is actually on an uptrend. The market has been actually pushing to the upside, and that is very clean. So what we can have here is, we can have a very nice structure. We already have a very nice structure. What we can do here is, we can have a nice buy pending order above that. Please use a bit smaller time frame for your entries. I'm just showing you the example. So we might have something like that as a buy stop. If the market keeps pushing up, it will find our order around this area, and if it breaks this support area, we will wait for it to break the second one. Then we can say, okay, the market is changing the direction, and maybe it's that time where we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to sell, because the market will be getting out of that trend. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be fast because I'm still going to upload this video, and the power might go off. So what's really happening here? This is Euro USD. We see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. the market is actually pushing to the upside. So you can easily see that we are on an uptrend, and where we are now is very close to our support area, and we also have another support there. So which means that support actually is a bit stronger. So we expecting the market to do what? To actually respect this area and try to push the upside. I'm expecting the market to give me something like that. Sometimes we can be wrong, guys. Some weeks are not very nice. So I'm expecting something like this. The market can respect this area and push the upside. Around this area, obviously, we will expect something like a resistance. It's not like maybe we think the market will just go straight to the moon. I am expecting that the market can do what? The market can still actually respect this area and come back. Yes, there is a chance for the market maybe to break this resistance and push the lower side. If we see that, it's fine, because we're gonna look for sell positions as the market will be trying to change the trend. But down there we also have a support area. It means whatever that we're going to do here, if it's a sell, we're just going to treat that as a hit and run until we reach this area, because we understand that the market is still respecting this uptrend. There's a chance that the market can touch this area and start to push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. We are on USDJPY. USDJPY. What's happening on USDJPY? Let me just change the time frame. I want this candlesticks to be visible. Nice, thick. Yeah, you see. Now we are on USDJPY. What's really happening is, yes, the market is actually doing what? Or maybe some people, I forgot to turn on the camera, but I think the screen is very nice like that, but it's fine. So what's really happening here is, yeah, you can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually going to the... Sorry, they're going... Let me try to turn this one. Yeah. The market is actually going down. You can see this is a very nice trend. Here we smashed that because the market just pushed lower. And down here, what we can do is we can have maybe an average of this, and just for us to estimate where maybe the market will reach, something like this, something like that. So I think, yes, the market can still go a little bit lower. The market can still go a little bit lower and reach this area, maybe before we see something like that. The market can, sometimes the market won't respect that, but most of the time, the market will do that. I see that even here. You see here, the market created something. If I use that average box, you see this box that I've used here, also here, even here, you will see it fits very nice. So that can be something that we can use to understand where the market can just bounce and start to create those structures. The market can still create something like that. Do you see that? We are on a downtrend, so we have to look for that sell. So yes, we're looking for those sell positions, but currently we're not going to take anything unless if maybe the market comes back around this area and respect this, then we can say, you know what, well, let's take that sell. We can do something like that, and if the market bounces back from that resistance, we can then say we're selling. We selling if the market does that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold. What's really happening on gold? Let me remove this. Yeah, what's really happening? We see that. Let me remove all this. This thing, I hate this. A messy. It's very I don't really like a mess on my chart. So yeah, this is what we have currently. We have a very nice uptrend move, so which is very fresh, by the way, but the market, I think, it's creating something here as a resistance. So if we go above that, I'm just waiting. It's not like maybe I don't check. If the market breaks that, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push the upside and create something like that. I'm expecting the market to create similar move as this. Even if it's not exactly as perfect as maybe it might happen, but we might have something like that. And above here, it's where we can do what? It's where we can actually buy wait for the market to close above that area. But with our strategy, we don't actually wait for that. If you want to know more, it means you can subscribe to our mentorship, which is $250. Yes, $250, because I know after you're done with the mentorship, you will be like seriously good. So yeah, I'm expecting a breakout, then I can buy above that. I guess this is an uptrend, or maybe the market can respect this and try to play around this area until we see another breakout somewhere, somehow. Whether it can break the support, then we will look for a sell, or maybe this support, this resistance area here, then we can look for a buy position. A buy position. Do you see that? I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Please smash that subscribe button, guys. Like, share with your friends. We left with only 11 people, which they can join our lifetime signals for only $45. You heard me? 11 people only. Only 11 people to join the team at $45 lifetime signals. If you want prime, $75. Only 11 people also. So yeah, we actually, I want, obviously I want the channel to reach that 5K. Then we can have different goals after that. We can try to continue with that. So actually I can go as low as I want, guys. Just that people actually, some people, they are not serious, so I can't just go as low as that. So what's really happening on US oil, you can easily see that actually, yeah, with that point, actually, I'm trying to say, sometimes you can say, guys, join with $10 and stuff like that. But most people who are going to join there, mostly they are not even serious. So there are those guys which are going to bother you like non-stop. They don't check everything. They want you to do their job, you see. But the people who pays like 150 for certain service, they actually like seriously understand, and they won't even bother you, you see. And another thing is, for those people who, there's people who play games here, guys. You know what they do? They purchase, let's say, something like a PayPal. Actually, I'm no longer going to use PayPal from now on. So what they do is they buy like the robot for now, and then 2 days later they say, no, this thing's not working with my system or my software. Then what they do is they request their refunds, and there's a rule actually in on PayPal, so that if someone creates a refund, actually you have to give them. So I'm no longer going to use PayPal, unfortunately. So because people, they just do that for fun. You give them the system, then they say it's not working, and then they request a refund. But just know that people who do that, they are actually stupid. They are actually stupid. You can't just take someone's property and then say, now I need my money back. Stupid. You're stupid. I think you're gonna die poor if you do that, because you just want free stuff. So we work hard for those things, you see. So what's really happening? The market is actually on. Guys, don't take that serious. I'm serious with the people who are actually doing that. But when I say you will die poor, don't take that personal. It's just a joke that we like here in South Africa. For people who do stuff like that, we just call them you will die poor. Stuff like that. So the market is actually doing what? The market is actually downtrending. So it means we're supposed to look for selling, the market which is selling. So what we see here is the market has been doing that very nice. And if we go closer there, we can easily see that, yeah, indeed, the market is actually doing what? The market is actually, was actually selling, and we were doing something from that. So now the market is here. So it means around this area, there is a chance for the market to do what? To go lower. So we have to be extra careful there, not to miss that, because sometimes the market can like go very, 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 very quick. The market can be as fast as possible, just to make sure that not everyone catches that move. So we might have something like that as a sell stop. Then the market can touch this area. Then boom, maybe around this area the market might find a support or not. We don't know. Or maybe the market can do what? The market can just break out here and start to push the upside. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. which is US30. US30, what's really happening? What time is it? Okay, we still have few minutes. What's really happening is the structure is very quite straightforward there. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually going down. We are on a downtrend, right? So what we want here is we just want to understand if maybe the market wants to push the upside, or maybe the market wants to push lower. Then let's go closer there, because the market actually broke out of that resistance, which means that we were expecting the market to push to the upside, right? We're expecting the market to go up, 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 up. So now we are here. So the structure here is not really that simple. Let me remove that so that we can find something very clear, because sometimes we get confused with these old lines that we draw and we no longer think outside the box. So now we have something like this. Yes, previously the market was going down. I think maybe the market just respected this level there. You see, so on top there we have a nice structure, which is not really, the market is not touching most of them, but you can see that we had something like this. Maybe the market will be doing something like that. So which means now we can just give the market a time to give us maybe a clue what will happen, what is actually happening. But on top there again, I thought we had a very nice area there. Then the market broke out of that. So I don't know if maybe the market will actually reach this area and bounce back, or maybe the market will just keep pushing up. So that will happen on the market, and we will see. And if that happens, we're going to wait for the opportunity. But for now, I think we can just wait a little bit. I think the market is not, it's actually pushed lower, because you remember when they increased the 50 basis points, I think that was the pressure. But I think maybe the market will start to bounce back. Slowly, by the way. I think the market will start to bounce back. So there we are. This is NASDAQ, by the way. NASDAQ has also been playing games, very, very, like, seriously playing. So on a bigger time frame, what was happening actually, you can easily see that, yes, whatever that is happening here is the market was actually on a downtrend, right? But if we go closer there, remember we are on a 4 hours time frame, which is a little bit bigger time frame that we have. These lines, man, they mess my chart. They mess up my chart. So I think this one should be something like this. And I don't really need to force that. So yeah, this is what we have currently. So the market actually, yes, the market is actually doing what? The market is on a downtrend. But down here, it seems like every time the market reaches this area, the market was pushing up. This area, the market was pushing up. Even here, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push up, maybe even to reach 11,800, because it will be where our resistance is. So I'm expecting the market to maybe push back slowly and reach that area. Around this area, we have some sort of a resistance. Maybe the market will touch there and push lower, but this sell-off now, it's getting like very, very, very annoying. Or yeah, it's like too much. The market has been like seriously selling. So what I see here is another alternative that we can use. We can say, if maybe we need to sell, let the market break this area. You see that? Let the market break that support area, then we can say it's our time to do what? To go down. But for now, I think even if we are on a downtrend, I'm expecting the market to push up again. Do you see that? I'm expecting the market to do what? To push up. Simple as that. So I hope maybe you understand. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So I said for 11 people, if you want to be part of the team, let me know. $45 for lifetime signals, $75 for actually prime robot. So thank you very much. You can check on the description. You will find my contacts. You can just WhatsApp me there. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.